Morning, welcome to part one of how to write a Google form for assessment, particularly during school closure. So, as you can see, I'm in Google Drive. I've got a folder I've created for putting this Google form into. The other advanced work that I've done is I've gone through the paper that I want to get the questions from, and I have used the snipping tool already to save the questions and some of the answers that I'm going to want to use. So first thing that I do in Google Drive is I go New, More, and then click on Google Forms. And it will create the form for me. I'm going to go through all the settings in due course, so don't worry too much about that. I am going to start by titling my form with Quick Maths Quiz. If I click up here, it'll then create the title there, which is quite handy. And I'm going to go straight into writing questions. I'm not going to put a field for name or anything like that. That's all going to be handled automatically. So question one, I want to be a short answer question. And I'm going to add a description. And the description I'm going to add is the actual question in this case. Because of how I want it to look later, I tend to leave the actual question title as just question one, question two, and so on. So question one is write 20% as a fraction. Relatively easy one to set up because you can just type it. There's no pictures, there's no funny maths formatting needed, just very, very straightforward. So short answer text, students are going to write their answer, job done, move on to question two. Now, question two has a picture attached. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to add image. I'm going to go to where I've saved my question to and just drag it in. Here it is. Here's a probability scale. It shows the probability of each event A, B, C, and D. And the image title I'm going to call question two, so there's no doubt. And then I'm going to add the question. The question I'm also going to ask is question two. And I'm going to add a description. And the description is which of the events is certain. And I'm very sensibly going to add option A. And then it actually tells me, do you want to add B, C, D? Actually, you know what? Yes, I do. And that's the question done. There's no other information because it's multiple choice. It will only let students pick one of those answers. In the next section, I'm going to show you how to add slightly different, wider range of questions, including tick boxes and eventually how to do an answer key so that it marks everything for you.